Well, hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are making pineapple salsa. Cue the music. Well, hey, and welcome back to It's Only Food, and thanks so much for watching. I am Chef John Politte, and if this is your first time watching this channel, or you just want to learn how to make awesome food, or maybe even learn how to start your own cooking channel right here on YouTube, then start right now by clicking on that subscribe button and then hitting that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well, you clicked on this video to watch me show you how to make pineapple salsa. So let's head into the kitchen and check out our ingredients. Alright, our ingredients, of course, are pineapple. Now, I had this in the cupboard. That's why we're making this. I did not go out and buy a whole lot of these ingredients because I'm trying to use up what I've got in the cupboard. But you definitely, if you're going to make this, go ahead and use a fresh pineapple. And then you can carve it out and use it as a bowl as well. I've got some limes, red onion, red pepper, fresh cilantro, and a couple of tomatoes. Quick and simple. Alright, like I said, it's better to use a real pineapple. Carve it up, dice out what you want, and you can make a little bowl with the outer shell as well. But I have this in the house, so I'm going to go ahead and drain this. And I'm just going to take what I've got, must reserve a little bit of the liquid in there as well. Now I'm just going to take some of our tomatoes and dice some up, red onion. I'm not dicing this up really well because we are going to pulse it a little bit into the my NutriBullet. There's our lime. You want to get more juice out of your limes, heat them up in the microwave for just a second. That will release some of the juice when you go to squeeze it out. I'll take about half our cilantro that we've got. Same with our red pepper. Chunk it up. Alright, got all of our ingredients in here. And like I said, I am just going to pulse it up in my NutriBullet to where we make it a little bit smaller and it blends a little easier. And then we're going to add our salt and pepper. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt and some pepper to this. We'll mix it up. Now, this isn't as pretty as what you see on the internet with all the pictures where you can see the tomato and the pineapple and the pepper and the cilantro. But let me tell you, the intense aroma coming off of this and the flavor is going to be significant because you've broken down all the compounds in every one of those ingredients and you've married them together by blending them like that in the processor. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this and set up a plate with some chips on it, take a lot of pictures for social media. Then we're going to lay those pictures down on the timeline, and we're going to throw some groovy music on there as well. And then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. So don't go away.
No. Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just bring.
All right, well, there is the salsa. I've got it on there with some corn chips, and you can see how delicious that looks with all those ingredients blended together. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this camera and put it on a tripod and we'll give this a taste. Alright, well, I've got the chip and the salsa. And that's what it looks like. Try my best to get this camera to get focused on it. You can smell the cilantro. Wow. Nothing overpowers the other ingredient. It all tastes so good, blended together like that. Nothing overpowers. I can't taste one thing over the other. All I can taste is a big mouthful of flavor. This is very, very good. Know what I'm doing for lunch. All right, thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that description box below for the 5 links that I have down there for you. The first one is a link to all my e-commerce stores that I have my gourmet seasonings on. The second one is a link to a playlist that I have made of how to make a YouTube cooking channel. The third link is for TubeBuddy, which is a toolkit that you will need in order to make your YouTube cooking channel a success. 4 is a link to my Amazon storefront. Everything I use on this channel is in a storefront there. Click on that link, you'll see everything I use. It is an affiliate link, so I do make a little bit of money on each purchase that is made. And 5 is all my social media links that I have. Don't forget that I have a chef page on Facebook that is also an aggregate site for other creators on YouTube that I like to feature on there. So click on that chef page one and give it a like as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure to like this video and this channel. Leave all your comments right down below. And then do me a favor and share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for watching. We will see you again right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat pumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat pumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food.